Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to bulk disable Chromebooks in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Disabling Chromebooks in Google Workspace is a way to disable access control from those Chrome devices of any IT organization or student organization that have not been used for a long time. With Foresight, it becomes very easy to bulk disable Chromebooks in Google Workspace. It can disable thousands and more devices at a glance. But Google Admin only does it for a small number of devices. How to bulk disable Chromebooks in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Instructions. This process unfolds in two parts. Part 1. Exporting Chromebooks in comma-separated values list from Grade 1 organization unit. Part 2. Disabling the Chromebooks via exported CSV files. Creation of Part 1 of the rule. Log into your xFanatical Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Chrome Devices action. In the Columns field, just stick with the default columns that are already selected. Select Students Grade 2 in the Organizational Unit field. Click Review. Step 3. Enter the rule name. Click Create. Triggering of the rule. Grade 2 Chrome Devices list has been successfully created. Click on the play icon to trigger the rule. Verification of the rule. The rule has been successfully triggered, exporting 3 Chrome devices to the CSV file. You can find the download link for the CSV file in the Action History section. Creation of Part 2 of the rule. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the Data Uploaded trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Click Next. Step 2. In the Select an Action screen, select Disable Chrome Device action. Grant Foresight the necessary permissions. Select the device ID. Click the Review button. Step 3. Enter the rule name. Click Create. Rule triggering. And it's time to upload the same CSV file again by clicking the Upload icon. Verifying the results. Find the notification in the upper right corner and click it. Under the notification bell icon, click View Log to access the log details directly. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.